Hello everyone, welcome to this quick how-to video. This one is about the website and specifically how to use the staff member tool. So here I am logged in as an admin. I'm going to go across to website up here, which takes us through to the website editor. And if we look at one of our pages here, we can add the staff member tool from this little list on the left hand side. So the staff member tool is a formatting tool really. It gives you the opportunity to add people's details, some biography, perhaps their email address if you want that to be shown, as well as a photo of them in a neat little box on your page. So just to show you what that looks like, let's go over here to our staff page. And you can see that it adds all of those people in a box as a separate element, which you can then move to other columns, or individually you can delete them if they were to leave the school. You just need to delete that one element without having to rearrange a big list or something like that. Many schools use the staff member tool for their governors as well. So if you want to put your governors on your website, it's quite handy because as you've seen in there, you've got an area for some text in the biography section. So you can put pecuniary interests in there. Now you can also use the staff member tool for other things. If I go over here to information, click on clubs, you can see that I've used the staff member tool with a little picture, some text and a title as well. So you can use it in other ways too. So that's how to use the staff member tool on your website. I hope that's been useful to you and I'll speak to you again soon.